unit vector. We are going to start unit vector. Students, those vectors whose magnitude is 1 but it has a specific direction are called unit vectors. Unit vector is denoted by cap. For example, I cap, j cap and k cap are unit vectors along x, y and z axis. So students, remember that. What is unit vector? Unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1. It has only direction but magnitude is only 1 beta. It is denoted by symbol. I have shown to you cap, I cap, j cap, k cap. They are standard unit vectors along x, y and z axis. Yesterday I have taught you vector has two things. Number one, magnitude. Number two, direction. So if a vector quantity is divided by its magnitude, then what is left? Direction. So it will be called unit vector. So unit vector of any vector A is written as बच्चों A, हमने कैप लगाया बेटा, तो ये क्या बन गया? यूनिट वेक्टर. यूनिट वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर. इसको इसके क्या करो बेटा? मैग्नीट्यूड से डिवाइड कर दो. तो वेक्टर डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड स्टूडेंट्स इज कॉल्ड यूनिट वेक्टर. वेक्टर divided by its magnitude is called unit vector. So always remember, it is very important vector in our numericals, calculations and further studies. What is unit vector? Once again I am repeating. Unit vector is the vector whose magnitude is 1. It has only a specific direction. For example, along x-axis we use I cap. Along y-axis we use j cap and along z-axis we use k cap. By definition, unit vector is equal to vector divided by its magnitude. Its meaning बच्चों, when we put any quantity in between two parallel lines, it is called magnitude. It is called modulus. So it will be the magnitude of A vector. Then comes beta co-initial vectors. Please see these vectors. I have drawn A vector, B vector, C vector. All the three vectors are going to start from the same point. So those vectors which start from the same point, they are called co-initial vectors. Those vectors which start from same point are called co-initial vectors. A vector, B vector and dear students C vector are going to start from same point O. So they are co-initial vectors. But they are going to start from the same point O. That's why they are called co-initial vectors. Then comes beta co-planar vectors. You know coordinate system. This is origin, this is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This plane is called, students, xy plane. This plane is called yz plane, and this plane is called zx plane. This is called xy plane, this is called yz plane, and this is called zx plane. I think should be clear better. So if the vectors lie in this plane, these vectors are lying in the same plane, that is x, y. So such vectors which lie in the same plane, they are called coplanar vectors. Those vectors which lie in the same plane, they are called coplanar vectors. Those vectors which lie in the same plane are called coplanar vectors. They are called coplanar. A vector, B vector and C vector, they are coplanar vectors. Equal vectors. Suppose boys, girls, this is A vector, this is B vector, both have same magnitude, they are pointing in the same direction. A vector and B vector has same magnitude and they point in the same direction, then they are called equal vectors. Two vectors are called equal vectors if they have same magnitude and students same. So two vectors are called, my dear students, equal vectors if they have same magnitude and they point in the same direction. Two vectors are called equal vectors if they have same magnitude and they point in the same direction. Then comes opposite or negative of a vector. Suppose this is A vector. A vector is pointing in this direction. I draw another vector of same magnitude but pointing in the opposite direction. Then we shall call B vector is negative of A vector. Two vectors are opposite to each other if they have same magnitude but points in the opposite direction. Students, negative of A vector means a vector of same magnitude but pointing in opposite direction. B vector is equal to negative of A vector. B vector is equal to negative of A vector.